Arabia. Arabia was a very diverse place. As people traveled, trading between the West and the East, some settled in Arabia. These included Christians and Jews who believed in one God. They were monotheistic. There were also local people who were polytheistic. Most people in Arabia lived in tribes. Without a formal government, each tribe was divided into many clans. Tribes were family-based. You were born into a particular clan within a particular tribe. I'm going to go back up here for just a minute. Monotheistic means that you believe in one God. Polytheistic means you believe in many different gods. Right. Let's go back down here. Clans would often fight one another, but they would also band together to fight other tribes. Your fate was tied to the others in your tribe or your family. If your clan or tribe became richer or more successful, you would find your fortunes rose or fell with theirs. Here is a silver coin from the Persian Empire. That's cool. Some of the Arabian tribes founded towns such as Mecca in Western Arabia, which was important for two reasons. First, it had a water well. Life was harsh and dangerous in the arid Arabian climate, and without a regular supply of water, families could not survive and settle in one place. As a result, most people were nomadic. But in Mecca, because of the water, they could stay in one place. That made Mecca a perfect town for people to settle. Second, Mecca held a famous shrine worshipped by the local polytheists. The Kaaba, see box on page 122. A tribe called the Quraysh looked after the Kaaba and traded with the other towns. One day, toward the end of the 6th century CE, a boy was born into that tribe. His name was Muhammad. We'll look at page 122 another time. All right. Camels. Camels are perfectly suited for arid climates. They can store water for days, and their humps contain fat for nutrition if they cannot get food. Sometime around 100 BC, the North Arabian saddle was invented. This allowed camels to be used for fighting and for carrying heavy packs for trade. Without the invention of the saddle and the domestication of camels, the Islamic empires may never have existed because trading and later conquests were essential to the spread of Islam. In North Africa, the Middle East, and Central Asia, camels are still used today for transporting goods. Fun fact, camels have a very effective way of keeping unwanted people away. They mix the half-digested contents of their stomachs with their saliva and then spit all over you.